to the channel. I appreciate you clicking on this video to see what we have to say on this. This is the review of the new Jeffree Star Orgy and Mini Orgy palette. In here, I will be doing a video while I'm doing a video so that you can see the look I created when I first got this palette. Because we didn't want to do a first impression. We wanted to do a review. So you get to see my first impression, try on, whatever, while I'm doing this video and reviewing it. As you read by the title, this is a collab. I am collabing with some OGs. Jeannie from Unfiltered 50s. Love her to death. I'm sure most of you have her. If you do not, please go over and check her out. And then Amanda from It's Amanda. She is also very good at what she does. I love watching her put her eyeshadow on. And it's just fun to listen to her talk. Then we have the other two that are not OG collab partners, but they're OG friends. So we have Karen from Karen and MUA. I'm sure a ton of y'all know her. If you don't, check her out. She is also just wonderful. And then we have Jess from JESS. Jess is amazing. She is totally on top of every subscription box. She does lives. She's great to watch too. So those are the ladies that I am collabing with. Now, in this collab, they waited for me to do this collab just for the simple fact that I bought from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I always buy from Jeffree Star Cosmetics because this is Jeffree Star's art. This is his work. I want to give 100% of my money to him. I don't want to pay a third party person. So ladies, I do appreciate you waiting for me. They would have had their videos up a long time ago had it not been for me. But this is palette 15 and 16 in his collection. This is the biggest palette to date. These were released on August 21st of 2020. This one is 30 shades. It is all matte. It retailed for $62. It does have a huge mirror, just as all of his other palettes. And then this is what that palette looks like. Now, it's cute, but we'll discuss that more here in a few minutes. It does have the little protector. I'm sure everybody has seen it. And then the mini, of course, is 9 pan, and it is all shimmer. It does have a small mirror in it too. We will also discuss this in a second. This retailed for $28, or you could buy the bundle for $78. Now, last time I checked, the bundle was sold out along with the mini. The big palette was still available, but that was 3 days ago, so don't quote me on that. Anyway, I also ended up getting the soft chocolate touch mirror, just for the simple fact that I am collecting his mirrors now. I don't know. It's what I'm doing. And then I got the white teddy hoodie from him. Has the little tag sewn in. This is soft, super comfortable to lounge around the house in. I have taken a nap in it. It does come with a hood and drawstring. It has a pocket in the front. I do roll my hoodies up on the sleeves because I don't want to get them filthy. But I think I should have got a different color than white. They do have pink and black now, so there's that. But alright, let's go ahead and get into this. Now, everybody knows, or if you don't know, the mini Jeffree Star did come on Instagram and talk about how the formula was not up to par on this. I did get an email, which I will put in so that you can see for yourself. what it says about getting a replacement palette for these. I will swatch just a couple. I will show you the Glass Wet. Just bubbles up, and when you stick your brush in it, it just crumbles off into like big balls that look like styrofoam. I didn't really use any of the shimmers today just because I've tried them out. When you get them wet, they do work a little better, but this is not Jeffree Star's normal formula. And if you bought this palette for your first one, I hope you're getting a replacement and you will be able to see the difference. And with this one, I know on Twitter, people were going off about wanting him to do a sit-down apology video like Jaclyn Hill did with her lipsticks. He fixed the situation. He's replacing them. He sent out the email. He is one of those CEOs that when something messes up, he does come on Instagram or Twitter or either and both, and tries to make up for his mistakes. The Christmas boxes he refunded and still allowed you to get your box. This one he is replacing. You know, he gets fought for it, whether he's good or bad. It doesn't matter. I don't see him doing it. I don't know why he would. I don't know why people would expect him to. He fixed the situation. So in this collection, the only thing that I personally regret not getting is the mini lip vault. It came with 25 minis, and the price tag on it was $160. That is what said, as the collector, I would have liked to have had that. As a normal, sane person who, I'm not very into nudes. I'd rather have color and that kind of thing. I can do a nude. It's just not my preferred go-to look. But it was cute. So that is all the information about the palettes and the collections and the replacements and the this and the that. So, okay. Now my review on this is, I love the packaging. I love the box it came in. I love that he is on the cover yet again. The name, I don't know why y'all are shocked anymore. It's Jeffree Star. It's Jeffree Star. In that, the shade names people are having a fit about. Again, he reveals these things before they launch. You're pre-told. It's his art, you know. If you don't like it or don't want to bring this out of your makeup bag and dip into happy ending, you know, don't buy it. Just, I don't get why he gets a bad rap. If you don't like it, you don't like the names, you don't support the names, blah, 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 whatever, don't buy it. Stop bashing people for their art, for their creative side. It's really not fair, and people should be better. Stop bullying. Just be nice. And if you can't be nice, be quiet. Alright. My little rant is over. It irks me. I don't understand. And it's not just Jeffree Star. It's anybody. You know, if you can't be nice, just be quiet. Sit on your hands, you know. Do something with yourself that doesn't involve hurting somebody else. It's easy. Okay. Like I said, this is not my favorite color story. For it being his biggest palette to date, I really did expect more than a nude palette. I'm just going to have to say it. In my opinion, I expected way more from his biggest palette. I do get the business aspect of the all matte and the shimmer. When this gets replaced and actually works, it will be amazing. it's all nude. I mean, you can only have so many creams, taupes, and browns. I would have been more happier if this was the all matte and this was the shimmer. That's just personally me. Brown, a different brown, a lighter brown, a middle brown. The collector in me bought these. Will I ever use them again? Maybe, maybe not. Either way, I am happy I purchased them. I always am. But that is my review. That is my part of this collab. Like I said, ladies, I do appreciate you waiting for me. Let me know down below if you bought this palette, what your thoughts are. Did you get the email for the replacement palette? Let me know which card you got. This is the card that came with my palettes, and it's just stunning. Just so pretty. And then, of course, the one with my hoodie came with this one, which is still very pretty, but very, very, very pretty. Alright, guys. So that's my video. I appreciate you watching it. Comment down below. Let's talk about it. Please do go over and check out the other ladies if you don't already have them. I'm pretty sure a majority of you do. Thanks again for letting me join. And as always, love yourself. Be nice, guys. It doesn't take anything. It's free. Just be nice. Love yourself. And remember, I love you. Till next time. Bye. Okay, that is what said